Douching may involve simply rinsing with the cleaning liquid. It could also include forcing liquid at high pressure into the vagina using a bag or other device. People who douche often think that douching is good for them. However, the evidence suggests otherwise. Research suggests that douching is bad for your health because it disturbs the normal chemical and microbial balance of the vagina. This is a warning for all women around the world. You should be very careful, because this procedure, which is routinely practiced by many women around the world, could double the risk of ovarian cancer. Just take a look at the video below and find out more about this. Study confirms. Here's what you need to know. A recent study has discovered that douching could double the risk of developing ovarian cancer, a disease which has been dubbed the silent killer. You'll be shocked when we tell you that prior studies have linked douching, or vaginal washing with a device, to yeast infections, pelvic inflammatory disease and ectopic pregnancies. According to the medical experts, women who reported douching almost doubled their risk of developing ovarian cancer. Well, the experts have also found associations between douching and cervical cancer, reduced fertility, HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases. Yes, this is really shocking. A group of researchers at the National Institute of Environmental Health Sciences has linked ovarian cancer with this simple procedure, which is routinely practiced by millions of American women. The famous epidemiology professor at the University of California, San Francisco, Joelle Brown, said that although she knew about other health problems associated with douching, the link between douching and ovarian cancer took her by surprise. The famous epidemiology professor at the University of California, San Francisco, Joelle Brown. Ladies, you should know that most doctors and the American College of Obstetricians and Gynecologists strongly recommend that women do not douche. Many women continue to douche because they falsely perceive douching to have positive health benefits, such as increased cleanliness. And Joelle Brown also mentioned that women should stop doing this procedure, because it's very dangerous and it could double the risk of cancer. Ovarian cancer is known as the silent killer because women often experience no symptoms until the disease has progressed to an advanced stage. An estimated 20,000 American women are diagnosed with ovarian cancer and about 14,500 die from it annually, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC. This procedure could double the risk of cancer. This is also very shocking. Well, according to the latest statistics, the experts say that more than 41,000 women throughout the US and Puerto Rico since 2003 as part of the sister study. Participants were 35 to 74 years old, and each had a sister who had been diagnosed with breast cancer. The subjects were free of breast and ovarian cancer when they enrolled in the study. And, you should also know that by July 2014, researchers counted 154 cases of ovarian cancer among participants. Women who reported douching during the year before entering the study nearly doubled their risk of ovarian cancer, the study found. Note, the experts say that vaginas naturally clean themselves, and squirting cleansers or other mixtures inside the canal only interferes with nature's balance. Douching can cause an overgrowth of harmful bacteria, lead to yeast infections, and push bacteria up into the uterus, fallopian tubes and ovaries. And, unfortunately, more than 1/4 of women between the ages of 15 and 44 douche. The truth is that despite all medical recommendations, douching remains a common practice because many women think that the products they are using would not be for sale or recommended by their mothers if they were not safe.